Hello everyone, and here we are, yet again, at the end of a very busy week of learning at school. How are you doing? I hope you've had a great time this week connecting with your friends and your teachers, and of course taking part in all of the wonderful learning opportunities that have been prepared for you. I've enjoyed this week as well, and one of the highlights has been looking through all of the Google Classrooms and all of the Padlets. And the one thing that I've noticed is the amount of sharing which is going on by using the technology. Children across the school are sharing their thinking, their learning, their ideas, their skills, their imagination and their creativity with one another. It's really fantastic, so thank you for that. And one particular example really caught my eye. Quinn, in year 3, I really enjoyed listening to your book reviews, and I really liked the way that you gave us your opinion, but also talked about the ideas from the author in their stories. Well done, and keep that up. I know there are lots of examples from children across the whole school, and I look forward to watching some more of those later on. So, it's time to start our assembly. As usual, you're going to have a chance to look at the learning ecologies and all of the different things taking place across the classes. And we'll also continue to hear from the Student Council about children's rights. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this week's assembly.
Hello, I'm Joey, and today I'm back to teach you guys about some more rights. How did you do on last week's quiz? I hope you did well. But anyways, let's get on with it. Before we start, we have some exciting news to share with you. We have now applied for the Bronze Award. We'll inform you as soon as we get a message back from them. Can't you believe that we're already heading for the Silver Award so quickly? As you know, last week we had a quiz to refresh your minds and to test your knowledge. This week we'll be filling your brain with more information like last time. How are you enjoying this? If you have any questions, feel free to contact one of our Student Council members. Here's some artwork about the 12th right of a child. Take a moment, pause the video, and take a closer look at the art instead of just looking for a second. Try to notice the details. What message is the artwork showing? You're right. Article 12, respect for children's views. Children have the right to give their opinions freely on issues that affect them. Adults should listen and take the children seriously. Please note that sometimes adults have way more knowledge to make the best decisions for us. At school, we'll be introducing new ways for children to share ideas to further improve the school. Let's move on. Right. Sharing thoughts freely. This video will explain this right using Explain Everything. Take a look. Children have the right to share freely with others what they learn, think, and feel by talking, drawing, writing, or in any other way unless it harms other people. Let's move on to right number 14, freedom of thought and religion. This means that children can choose from their own thoughts, opinions, and religion, but this should not stop other people from enjoying their rights. Parents can guide children so that as they grow up, they learn to properly use this right. Now, we Student Council members have decided that we would like SJS to support a project called Gift a Smile by the charity Operation Smile. It is a project to support children with a cleft lip and get the opportunity they need in 3 world countries. A cleft lip is an opening or split in the upper lip that can occur in newborn babies. This means that some kids can't form their speech properly because they're born without a full lip. By purchasing this gift basket, you are providing a child to get the surgery they need. It is $200 and you get to keep all the products while helping others. Sounds like a win-win to me. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to share more next time. Bye!
Hello, welcome, buenos dias. Guten Tag, konnichiwa. Shalom, dobry dzień. Hello to all the children of the world.
just a quick check-in about the House Talent Show. We've seen some amazing entries, some fantastic talents been shared. However, we think there's space for a lot more talents as we've only got a few entries from some year groups. So let's get some more things in. Remember, you get 5 points for every single entry. That's amazing. 5 house points. You can do this for your house. We're going to extend the competition until Tuesday next week, at which point we'll be choosing our winners. So make sure you get your videos uploaded onto your class Padlet, your year group Padlet before then.
Different fingers. My ho. Ah! That's different. Now, we are going to win this year. Now, for reasonability, I'm going to make popcorn. Now, here, I have prepared some melted maple syrup.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's assembly, and thank you to everyone who helped to prepare for it. Now, before we go, we have a reminder. The talent show is coming soon. If you haven't had a chance to share your skill or your talent, you've still got time to do so. All you need to do is make a video and upload it to the Padlet. If you need to know where the Padlet is, you can ask your teacher and they'll be more than happy to help. So thanks everyone, thanks for a great week. Have a good weekend. And in the meantime, stay happy, stay healthy, look after yourselves and look after your friends. We'll see you soon. Bye everyone.